Welcome to Adventures in Food with Howard. If you have visited my channel before, welcome back. If you're a new visitor, thank you for stopping by, and I'd really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I really do enjoy hearing from you. In celebration of spring, I am making one of my all-time favorite springtime desserts, lemon bars. I'm going to be adapting the recipe for lemon bars made on the America's Test Kitchen cooking show that I recently saw on PBS-TV. For this recipe, for the crust, I will need 1 cup of white all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and finally 8 tablespoons of butter, which is equivalent to 1 stick of butter. For the filling, I will need 2/3 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 teaspoons lemon zest, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar, 1 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 whole eggs, 3 egg yolks, and 4 tablespoons of butter. The crust will need to be made first. Whisk together the flour, sugar, and salt. Add the butter, which has been melted in the microwave or stove, and mix everything thoroughly. Don't worry about overmixing the butter and flour. This dough is so short that it can't help but be tender. And short just refers to the ratio of butter to flour, which in this case is 2 parts flour to 1 part butter, and this ensures that the finished crust will be rich and crumbly, just like a fine shortbread cookie. Now, this dough is going to be too soft to roll out, so all you need to do is to press it into your prepared baking pan. To prepare your pan, line an 8x8 or 8x11 inch pan with aluminum foil. This helps to make the cleanup easier and helps you remove the lemon bars from the pan. I start by breaking the dough into small pieces and sprinkling them evenly throughout the pan. Then using your fingers gently but firmly press the dough evenly into the pan. Once the dough has been pressed into the pan, put the pan into a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes, or until the crust is a lovely golden brown color and smells nicely toasted. To make the filling on top of the stove, mix the dry ingredients together, and then add the eggs and then lemon juice and zest. Mix thoroughly and cook over low heat, stirring constantly until thickened, or it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure not to cook this too fast or you run the risk of curdling your eggs. Over a medium-low heat, this will take about 10 minutes to cook. Now, in the interest of disclosure, I cooked my filling in my Vitamix blender. The Vitamix is easier and has less risk of overcooking the eggs than cooking on top of the stove. After the filling is done, remove the filling from the heat and add 4 tablespoons of butter, mixing thoroughly. Pour the thickened filling into the baked crust and put the pan back into the 350-degree oven for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Remove the pan from the oven and allow to cool for about 90 minutes. After cooling for at least 90 minutes, use the aluminum foil as slings to remove the lemon bars from the pan. Carefully separate the aluminum foil from the bottom of the lemon bars. Using a very sharp knife, cut the lemon bars into any size cookie and serve. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and give it a thumbs up. I always enjoy hearing from you. Please join us next time for Adventures in Food with Howard. Bye for now.